Hello out there in YouTube land, YouTubers, sawmill crazy people like me. Working on the #1 mill. I've got three of the I guess L's off, knees off, whatever you want to call them. They're sitting, I guess you can see them over here. Those are the boards I wanted for a table to set that stuff on. So when I pull them off, now what my plans are here, and I'm going to, you can see the cable down here. I got to pull the carriage down. I could run it with a Detroit, but you know, I just don't see any point in starting a Detroit to run it down, and it just doesn't make good sense to me. But I never made good sense. I think once I start I think you'll be able to see me lifting those off, and they're, I don't know, 165, 200 pounds, somewhere around there. I'm not sure what they are. Show you the coupler. It's going to go between the two shafts. See, there's one shaft here. Now I spent a good hour and a half this morning getting this shaft cleaned up. That's a set shaft, 2-inch. That's the next thing that's got to come off after I get these L's off. You can see we need some cleaning. Cleanup lady didn't come in today, or cleanup man, cleanup whatever. This is the coupler. Oh lordy, and it turned out real nice. That's what it is, and it's got. These are threaded back here, and then cap screws so nothing to get caught, and you know, it's all lined up so the shaft should go through. Yep, goes through. So what's going to happen here is this shaft is going to get put on that one. Let me pull this thing apart. Try to do this with one hand. Believe it or not, this little shaft is heavy. This little coupler is heavy. This is gonna go up. Let me see if I can get it in there. I can't get it in there because this shaft is in the way. Hold on a second. I think I can get it in there now. You guys are never land. All right, I got the cupola on. That's what it's gonna look like. Now this shaft is gonna come up to about here. Okay. Then when this shaft comes in, it's going to be piloted in through here and come up to about here. So the shaft split's going to be about this vicinity here. Then when I take these screws out, I'll only be running the 4 front head blocks, okay, as opposed to running I guess 4 front head blocks instead of doing all 8. Those things are, let's say, a couple hundred pounds a piece. So I'm pulling 800 pounds in every time I pull it in, and wearing things that I probably don't need to wear. So we decided to go with this coupler here, that we'll take these out and just screw them in here, just so you don't lose them when I'm not using it. And then when you put it in there, I don't have the key in there right now, so they'll be turning at this point right here free all the time. So that's the update on that. Now I guess I'll show you I'm going to pull the carriage down. I got the Kubota down there hooked onto the carriage through that strap. I'm hoping to pull it down enough because I'm kind of limited in reach. Well, I got more reach, but it's just easier. I wasn't smart enough to get that thing out of the way. I was kind of stupid. I might try to hook it real quick and see if I can't get it out of the way. It's loaded, so it'll probably want to dump everything. So probably better off just leaving it there. Let me put you guys on the stand, and I'll try to get that out of the way before I go any further. I should have brought a chain down to hook it onto. I think that you'll be able to see just about everything. Maybe I'll have to move you back. I'm trying to get a good vantage point for you guys. You should see the carriage start coming down. I think you got the whole boom. You got where I'm laying them. I think you'll have it all about here. So next I'm going to pull the carriage down a little bit. Hopefully it won't hit anything. I don't have any extra eyeballs down here watching me. So let's see what we can do. That wasn't too hateful. How are we at now? Yeah, you got all that. Well, you're gonna see me try to get another L off of there. onto my table. That's why I don't know what I did with my strap. Oh, it's still on the truck. All right. I'm good with that. Well, that's how I'm getting them off. How much time do we chew up here, guys? Let's see. Step down here, step down there. What do we chew up here? 15 minutes, that's not too bad. Because you saw the coupler at the beginning. So now, you see how I'm getting them off, but the next problem I got, there's always, you know, nothing's ever as easy as it looks. You know, you pull down the carriage some more and you think, oh yeah, I got it made. Well, the trouble is, if I run the carriage down any more than what I got, the cable there will pop off. I might be able to get this last head block, but the cable, see, there's the connector to it, and you get it down just a little bit further, and that cable will pop out. Which, you know, you're always loading your first log up there in that area anyhow, the head, and there's the one log turner, here's the other log turner, so you got plenty of room to turn all that stuff on the shorter logs. You just can't take them back much further. I got, oh no, I can go back a little further. There's my wheel, and if you can look underneath there, there's a white spot over there. That's where I got to stop, so I can come down and get this last L off. So I'll do that without you guys, and I think I'll probably pick that bucket up and move it over to the other side just to get it out of my hair. Maybe not. So that's it. I think I done covered everything here. I'm working on the other sawmill in the back too. Remember where the roller cages, cases, or whatever you want to call them, went bonkers? Well, I got all that on yesterday. I kind of work, if you can see out there, it's a beautiful day, but the heat index out there right now, I just came from inside. I took a break watching Nathan. Nathan's doing a live chat down there. I'd kind of like to be enjoying him because he's a pretty smart guy. If you want to see some good band mill, go visit Nathan at Out of the Woods, I think is what his, I'm so senile I don't remember. Anyhow, go check him out. He got a big beard, so you can't miss Nathan. He's good. He got a great southern drawl. Anyhow, he's real good at that kind of stuff, so go visit him. But I was in there cooling down, and that's why I was out of the sun. Now, as soon as the sun, you can see it starting to come in right here. When it comes in a little bit further, this boy's going to be out of this mill, and then I go back and work on the other mill because that one's coming in on shade. But it's not too bad down here. There's a slight breeze, so we're doing pretty good. I'm going to pull this down another 3 feet. I'm going to get the last L off of that one. The other ones might have to come off from the other end. I might have to sneak around back. I got this walkway here. These are the boards, those poplars that I cut. Remember when I said I pulled them bone tight and then put screws in here so they would dry straight? Now look at them. They were tight together. Now there's a 1/2 inch gap in them already, and the screws aren't doing too much. But the boards dried up pretty daggone straight for as curvy as they were cutting out. There's another last look at that crazy coupler. Everything's labeled. Trying to think what I'm forgetting. I'm so forgetful. That's what happens when you get old and senile. All right, that's going to be good for this. I got to go back and see if the other mill is getting out of the sun, because the other mill's in the sun in the morning. This one gets afternoon sun, then this one, then they both cool off toward the afternoon. So that's a mill update, how I'm getting those things off. I'm taking it all completely apart. I'll bring you in on the next step. So over and out for now. Oh, if you like these sawmill videos or fixing sawmill videos, or who knows what I'm doing, hit the do me a favor and hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, I'd like it if you subscribed and came back and visited more than once. It's not all sawmill stuff, but the Jeeps are starting to protest again. I haven't got the Jeeps out in a while, so that's the other half of the frickin' Jeep, the Jeep part. The frick is the frick. I'll show you what the frick is. Come in here. We're coming down here on my case. See that? That's the frickin' Jeep. So, all right, over and out for now. We'll see you guys later. Hit like and subscribe, and catch you in the flip-flop. Oh, I forgot to say, we're going to be sawing down at Jeff's. We got to saw, I don't know, I showed you in the last video. I think I might not put that video on yet. No, I don't think I have. But in the last video, we're going to be sawing down at Jeff's this week, about 3 days. I hope we can get it done in 3 days. Got a lot of stuff down there to cut. So look forward to the Jeffrey's sawmill coming up. Bye-bye.